Just got back from the grocery store. Time for some back to school meal prepping. My cookbook says that this is very high protein, so I got some cottage cheese and some high quality creamery milk. 4 pounds of pork loin for $1.79 a pound is an excellent deal. So I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of tender quick, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for every pound, and also adding this to the brine. This needs to brine and then it will be roasted in the oven. What we have here is half a peck of peaches. I was greedy, but they were a really good deal, and I'm going to be making peach syrup and a whole bunch of peachy desserts. The amount of sugar I put is quite sparing, but it's enough to toss everything in, and it's gonna sit outside overnight. And now we have vine ripe tomatoes from the farmer's market and sweet peppers from the same grower. I came back from Ohio with this beautiful jar of homemade pepper butter from Mrs. Freed. Tomatoes all prepped and all my peppers are cut. I'm gonna put them in my pepper bag. This goes in the freezer and I replenish it, and it just makes meals so easy for one person. Really simple pasta sauce, garlic scapes cooked in olive oil, and then tomatoes which I will cook down into a paste. So this is becoming thick and caramelized. I leave the skins and the seeds in there for texture, and I cook it down to a very flavorful paste. This is going to sit in water for now, and if I don't use it all within the next few days, I will cut it up and freeze it.